If you've been looking for a new juicing recipe to try, you need to try out this pineapple orange juice with apples. It's a great twist to your traditional orange juice, and it's a great way to get your nutrients and vitamins. Cold pressed juices usually last up to 72 hours, so just a FYI if you're new to juicing. But for oranges are high in vitamin C. They contain anti-inflammatory properties, and they also contain antioxidants that support heart health. Pineapples contain bromelain, a group of enzymes linked to health benefits such as reduced inflammation, improved digestion, and stronger immunity. And apples are packed with vitamin C. They also help support the immune system, skin health, metabolism, and liver health. I'm not a dietitian or a nutritionist, so consult with a professional if you need more answers. I'm gonna let the video ride. I am using the Nama J2 juicer, and I think this juicer is really great. But if you don't want to spend that kind of money, you can find a dupe or a cheaper option. If you are using a blender, you can follow this recipe as well. You probably just need to strain it and maybe even use a cheesecloth. I hope you guys do enjoy this. If you have any more questions, make sure to drop that down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video by the end, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it.